Ladies, if you are over 40, you are not yourself. You've gained belly fat, you can't lose weight, and lack energy. You diet and work out, but the results just aren't there. Find the body you once had.
I tried several weight loss programs. I would lose 13 pounds, and then it was like I couldn't go any further.
Why do you and so many others struggle with yo-yo diets, belly fat, and no results from exercise? Your body has changed. You've lost hormones that you can't replace. You are not alone. The 25 Again program will reset you to a youthful state at any age. Our doctors find optimal levels and guarantee it.
They're always making sure that it is a healthy way for you to lose weight. I feel so much better. Yes.
25 Again is an exclusive program with proven results. Find your healthy weight. Find the results you desire. Find yourself. Don't wait. We make it easy and results are guaranteed. Go to 25again.com and call today.